Hey everyone, welcome back to the ComfyUI Tutorial Series. In this video, I am going to reveal how to create viral video super fast using latest Wan 2.2 model. This is not just any tutorial. Make sure you watch till the end because I am sharing a secret 4-step trick with LiteX LoRA that cuts your video generation time from 30 minutes down to just 2 to 3 minutes for a 5-second video. And you can also create videos as low as 8 GB of VRAM. This sounds crazy, right? So stick around. Also, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button to support the channel and get fresh AI content regularly. This really helps me bring you better videos. Before we start, you make sure you go to Manager and update your ComfyUI and restart the ComfyUI. After restarting the ComfyUI, you open the workflow which I have added in the Discord channel. You can go to my Discord channel using the link below in the description and get that workflow for free. And after opening the workflow, if you see any missing nodes, just go to Manager, click on Custom Node Manager and filter here from missing nodes. And whatever missing node you find, just install it and again restart the ComfyUI. This is important because Wan 2.2 and the LiteX LoRA technique works best with the newest updates and with the custom nodes and can save you a tons of time. So before using Wan, we need images. So we are going to use image to video generation because it works best. The text to video is not good for low VRAM users. So I have used Flux Krea inside ComfyUI to generate stunning images as the base for my videos, as you can see on the screen. If you want to learn this workflow from scratch, how to create images using Flux Krea, you should definitely check out episode 2 of this series where I explain all the basics. Also in episode 3, I have deeper dive in advanced Flux Krea creation techniques, so those are perfect follow-ups for you. Alright, back to Wan 2.2. You can see I have created this workflow for you and I am using GGUF model Q4KS version because I have 12 GB of VRAM. You can get the models from here. If you want to download the models, just click on here and it will open the link from here. Check for yourself which model works for you. And after installing the high noise model and low noise model, place in the diffusion model folder, and you also need the clip. So click on here and it will directly show you the download link and put that in the following folder inside the clip. To check the folder location, you can also check here like which folders falls in which category, and also you will need the VAE, so you can download it from here. Download the LoRA. You can download the LiteX LoRA from this link. I have also given this link in the workflow section, and you also need this custom nodes. So before generating the videos, let's talk about Wan 2.2 little bit. So this is the latest AI model designed specifically for video generation with ComfyUI. Compared with 2.1, it delivers sharper videos, smoother motion, and more control over your final creation. You can create cinematic level sequence with much less hassle. If you want to read more and master prompt writing for Wan 2.2, I have put the website link in the description below. It's packed with tips to help you write the perfect prompt. So what sets Wan 2.2 apart from Wan 2.1? It has smoother frame transition, so your videos look clean and professional. It has better understanding of prompt details for more accurate creation, and the processing is faster, especially combined with LiteX LoRA method, and it has improved scene complexity with consistent lighting and colors. All in all, it's a giant leap forward in AI video tech, and it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. You can completely run on your local system. Now here is the secret weapon, the LiteX LoRA, which we can run Wan 2.2 on 4 steps. So from here you can load your GGUF model, and from here you can load your LiteX LoRA. You can keep the setting as I have kept. You don't have to change anything. You can only change noise seed values. Keep the steps to 4, and you can see here I have given the start at step is 0 and edit step is 2. for K sampler 1, and I have given the start at step 2 and end at step 4 to K sampler 2. I have given this prompt to generate the video from this image, and I have also given resize image with the resolution. You can see my image resolution is much more higher, so it will take too much time to generate video. So I have decreased the resolution to 640. As you can see, the image has been decreased to resolution 640, and I have kept the length to 81. I am generating the video for 16 fps. You can check this out for the recommended length frames, and this workflow is for low VRAM users, and high VRAM users can also use this workflow. After generation, our video is look like this. So it looks great, right? You can see it only took me 194 seconds, close as 3 minutes. So the process is simple. First, I used Flux Krea to generate the image. So I went to Perplexity to write me a prompt to generate an image of 4K, and then I also told Perplexity to generate the image to video prompt of the following image. I will add this script in the Discord channel so you can test it out on your own. So I have generated all these prompts using Perplexity. If you want to learn more about prompting on how to generate image to video, so you can visit the Wan 2.2 website. They have given the formula on how to write prompt for the video generation. You can go through this website. As you can see, this prompt shows the sunny lighting, and this prompt shows the artificial lighting. They have given lots of prompt and its practical use in Wan 2.2, which you can also learn and implement in your video generation. You can also generate images with Wan. So I am going to show you how to generate images with Wan in the next video. So subscribe to my channel. As you can see, you can also decide the time of day like sunrise, night time, dusk time. You can also give the prompt like what lens to use. So just go through this website if you want, or you can also directly generate it with Perplexity. It will be best if you want to build a career in image generation and video generation. You have to learn these things. So I will give you some tips for prompt lighting which I use. So you have to be specific, mention exact object lighting, colors and mode, use words like cinematic, smooth motion, high resolution to guide the AI, and keep the prompt concise but rich in detail. Experiment with style words like neon, sunset and dark shadows for atmosphere. Practice this and your videos will improve fast. If you learned something new and want more tutorial like this, please subscribe and comment on what video you want next. I read every comment. Also, I have put all the model download links and the full workflow in the description. It took me a full week to create this video for you. So your support means everything. Your subscription helps me keep making this tutorial. If you like to support me further, I have added donation links like UPI and PayPal in the description as well. Thank you so much in advance, and sorry if my English sounds a little sloppy sometimes. I'm always learning just like you. Lastly, don't forget to join our Discord channel where I share workflows, tips and collaborate with fellow creators. The invite link is down below too. Thanks for watching the whole video. Stay creative and I will catch you on the next one.